Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Name of the subject Mathematics, Standard 6th, Topic Quadrilaterals, Name of the teacher Mrs. Snehal Sarvaiya. Chapter 16 Quadrilaterals. In this video we will learn what is a quadrilateral, reading and writing of a quadrilateral, adjacent sides and adjacent angles of a quadrilateral, opposite sides and opposite angles of a quadrilateral, diagonals of a quadrilateral, polygons, and practice set 38 and 39. Children, here you can see a figure that is a quadrilateral. Any closed figure having four sides is called a quadrilateral. Here, what is the name of the quadrilateral? The name of the quadrilateral is quadrilateral ABCD, or you can read it as quadrilateral ADCB. Okay, so we will see what is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a closed plane figure formed by four line segments. The four line segments that form a quadrilateral are called its sides. In the figure, seg AB, seg BC, seg CD and seg DA are the sides of the quadrilateral ABCD. The points A, B, C and D are called the vertices of quadrilateral ABCD. Now we will see how to read and write the quadrilateral. A quadrilateral can be named by starting at any point and going serially either clockwise or anticlockwise around the figure. When writing, a sign like square is put in the place of the word quadrilateral. Now we will see what are the adjacent sides of a quadrilateral. The sides of a quadrilateral which have a common vertex are called adjacent sides of a quadrilateral. In the given figure, the sides AB and AD of quadrilateral ABCD have a common vertex A. So they are called as adjacent sides of the quadrilateral. Similarly, side AB and side BC are having common vertex B. Side BC and side CD are having common vertex C. Side CD and side DA are having common vertex D. So these sides are called as adjacent sides of quadrilateral ABCD. Now we will see opposite sides of quadrilateral. Sides of a quadrilateral which do not have a common vertex are called opposite sides of a quadrilateral. The pairs of opposite sides of quadrilateral ABCD are side AB and side DC, side AD and side BC. Adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral which have a common arm are called the adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. In quadrilateral ABCD, angle DAB and angle ABC have a common arm AB. Therefore, these angles are called adjacent angles of quadrilateral ABCD. Similarly, angle ABC and angle BCD, angle BCD and angle CDA, angle CDA and angle DAB are the adjacent angles of quadrilateral ABCD. Next, we will see opposite angles of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral which do not have a common arm are called opposite angles of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral ABCD is having angle ABC and angle ADC are the opposite angles. Similarly, angles BCD and angle BAD are the opposite angles of quadrilateral ABCD. Now, the diagonals of the quadrilateral. The line segments which join the vertices of the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are called the diagonals of the quadrilateral. In quadrilateral ABCD, seg AC and seg BD are the diagonals. Pentagon. The closed figure obtained by joining 5 points by 5 line segments is called a pentagon. Polygon. Triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons and other closed figures with more than 5 sides are all called polygons. Practice set 37. Observe the figures below and find out their names. The first figure is having 5 sides, so it is a pentagon. Second figure is having 6 sides, so it is a hexagon. Third figure is having 7 sides, so it is a heptagon. And a polygon with 8 sides is called octagon. Practice set 38. Question 1. Draw quadrilateral XYZW and name the following. The pairs of opposite angles. So the angles are angle XYZ and angle XWZ, angle YZW and angle YXW. Second, the pairs of opposite sides. Side XY and side WZ, side XW and side YZ. Third, name of the pairs of adjacent sides. Side XY and side YZ, side YZ and side ZW, side ZW and side WX, side WX and side XY. Next, the pairs of adjacent angles, angle XYZ and angle YZW, angle YZW and angle ZWX, angle ZWX and angle WXY, angle WXY and angle XYZ. The diagonals of the quadrilateral, seg XZ and seg YW. The name of a quadrilateral in different ways. So there are 8 ways you can write the names. So quadrilateral XYZW, quadrilateral YZWX, quadrilateral ZWXY, quadrilateral WXYZ. Then quadrilateral WZYX, quadrilateral ZYXW, quadrilateral YXWZ, quadrilateral XWZY. Question 2. In the table below, write the number of sides the polygon has. Quadrilateral, number of sides 4, octagon, number of sides 8, pentagon, number of sides 5, heptagon, number of sides 7, and hexagon, number of sides 6. Question 3 and question 4 are given for self-study as they are activity questions. Question 5. Draw any polygon and divide it into triangular parts as shown in the figure. Thus, work out the sum of the measures of the angles of the polygon. Now here you can see a figure. This polygon is divided into 4 triangles. The numbers are given on the triangles. So the sum of the measures of the angles of one triangle is 180 degree. Now here we have 4 triangles. So the sum of the measures of the angles of 4 triangles is equals to 180 into 4, that is 720 degree. Therefore the sum of the angles of the given polygon is 720 degree. Thank you.